Welcome to the Law of Attraction in Action. Hi, this is Jennifer Sada, and in this series, I'm going to be sharing with you daily practical tips on how to manifest what you want in life, on how to raise your vibration, and how to become a master deliberate creator. Okay, so we're going to do this together. So watch and join me daily for 30 days, and let's get the momentum going. I'll see you in there. Hi, this is Jen. Welcome back to the Law of Attraction in Action. How fast you manifest things in your life or how slow you manifest all depends on how good you are into getting into vibrational alignment. And this is what helps me, okay? You want to become really good at doing this. You want to become really good at ignoring this. I know it's not easy, when things are happening, when you really want something and you don't have it and you want it so bad, and then all you can think is how much you don't have it. Okay, so for example, a few weeks ago, my car broke down. Well, my car was dying and I was looking for a new car. Only here in Ireland, I can only drive automatic because I did my driving license in Japan, and here in Ireland, automatic cars are not so common. So I was looking for a small automatic because I don't want to drive a big car with a big engine. And I started looking and calling garages around the town, and I went through a few bad experiences about people lying to me, people deceiving me, and I was like, oh no, I'm never going to find the car that I want that is automatic with a small engine within my budget and for my purpose. So and then I realized I'm only focusing on what I'm not getting. I'm focusing on how difficult it is. I was like, how about the law of attraction, Jennifer? Don't you remember that? Forget all about it. Just know that the perfect car is out there waiting for you. Okay, and so now it doesn't mean you go lie down on the beach and do nothing, even though that probably help more than focusing on your problem. But what that meant is like I left it open. I knew that it was going to be taken care of, that that I was going to find the right car for me, and I stopped worrying about it. I stopped being anxious about it. The very next day, I just went online. Now, it doesn't mean you stop taking action. You still take the steps, you still knock on doors, you still do whatever you have to do, but without the anxiety. So I kept looking casually. I saw something online and I thought, this is the one. I rang straight away and I had the best experience possible. Not only did I find the car that I was looking for, but at a good price. I got a reduced price straight away from a lovely garage seller who, a car seller, garage man, who offered me more than I was looking for, a car that was imported from Japan, so it speaks Japanese to me. I'm half Japanese, by the way. Anyway, the perfect car just appeared the minute I stopped stressing about finding it. Okay, so the lesson here is learn how to ignore your reality. Okay, if what you have around going on for you is not what you want, is not what you like, just become good at ignoring it, knowing that there is more than you can see, that everything that you've already asked for is already there waiting for you. You just need to get yourself into the vibration, into the alignment, into receiving it. Now, of course, it's just said than done, you would say, for most of you, but it is that simple and it can be that fast. It can be in an instant. You can say, okay, I'm forgetting all about how I am not getting this, and then focus on something else. Okay, if that's the best you can do, focus on something that is easy for you, and you will be amazed at how the things that you want start manifesting into your life. This is the law of attraction in action. I will see you in the next live video. Bye for now.